Hi everyone, I'm Sebastian and I work at Kmotion and I'm glad to present you our video series about our platform sexinsight.io. During this series, you will learn everything that can be done on our tool and how you can use it to its full potential. Are you ready? Let's go!
Hi everyone, so welcome back on our platform sexinsight.io, and in this video we will see how the benchmark and reporting modules work to better understand how these modules are organized and how they work. So first of all, we are here on a demo project in the airline industry, which was realized with public data from online review platforms. And you can first see there that this project contains in total 1084 comments. So let's start this video by clicking on the benchmark module. And as its name indicates, this module will allow you to create comparison tables between the different informations and filters present in your project. So when you get to this screen, you will directly find your previously created benchmark or demo if it's your case. If not, you can click on the button here at the top to create your first benchmark. A pop-up window will open where you can name your table and give it a description, and you will then arrive on this page. So how does it work? Well, it's quite simple. You just have to click here on Add a Column to start building your table. With the first tab, you will be able to choose what you want to display in your columns. And first of all, you can define the desired periods, then you can choose or not a particular thematics or not, and then apply any thematic filter, and finally you can choose the desired filters. So the filters that you will find here are linked to the information present in the file uploaded to our platform. The more information you have, the better it is, and the more filters you will have available in the project. In fact, this not applies only for the benchmark modules, but also for the entire project and every module on our platform. So for example, in this demo, I'm going to be able to filter by generation, gender, language spoken, travel class, option chosen, etc. So to illustrate this video, I'm going to create a comparison table between different classes of travelers. So I click on travel class, and there I find my different filters: economy, premium economy, business, and first. So I will choose economy for my first column, and I'm going to repeat the operation for the other travel classes. So let's do it once again. I choose premium economy and then apply. Then another one with the business class. It's a little bit long at the beginning to create the table, but when it's done, you don't have to do it again. And then to finish, I'm doing the same for first class. So on my columns, I will find directly the key information of the project, and first of all, the ZE index, the emotional temperature. So as a reminder, the index is an indicator that we have created at Kmotion, and it is represented by temperatures that works as such. The higher it is and close to 40 degrees, the warmer it is, and therefore the customer experience is well lived. And at the opposite, the cooler and closer to -20, the more dissatisfied your customers are. You will also find the number of comments for each class of travel. So we see here in particular 749 comments for the economy class and 27 for the first class, for example. The first point that we can see here is this famous index, which is almost the same for all travel classes. This is a bit surprising, since we can imagine that first and business class have a very high quality customer experience. However, this could be explained by a higher requirement or a particular issue that will not be appreciated by this class of travel. To get to the bottom of this, let's continue our analysis and scroll down slightly. So here we find the traditional satisfaction indicators such as the NPS, Net Promoter Score, the recommendation score, etc. And then we find the distribution of comments by emotion for each column as well. Then you will be able to add cards in order to compare your different columns on specific subjects. For example, here, let's see how the experience is lived with the staff according to the class of travel. So I add my card, and so yes, here it's interesting. We can see that the first has a negative experience, which is quite uncommon. So let's take a look a little bit further to see if we can find why. So for example, I will add the verbatims related to the cabin crew. So I add it, and again, it's very interesting. We can see here that the cabin crew can be considered as an irritant for the first class. So there is room for improvement here, and maybe, for example, implement a formation for the staff to manage more exclusive customers, more customers that are used to be well treated in their day-to-day life. And as you can see, this modules allows you to compare in depth all types of customer segments, geographical location, etc. But not also, we could even imagine creating a benchmark with the public reviews of your competitors, for example. Okay, let's move on to the second and last module of this video, the reporting. Once on this tab, you can simply click on the Create a Report button to get started. This module aims to make it easier for you to create analysis reports in order to share the information with your team. So it works in the simple drag and drop format. On the first screen, you will find all the predefined pages available, but also the empty pages on which you will be able to integrate the maps of your choice. On the second screen, you will be able to set up your document as well as your page or card. So in particular, you can decide whether or not to display certain information such as the period, the thematics, the folder, and so on. The same goes for the period of the selected map. You can also add a filter if you wish. On the third screen, we are here on the title page, so you can name the title page, add your company logo, etc. And finally, on the last screen, you can add iterations if needed. Okay, your report is ready. You can click on Preview with Project Data, and then on Generate PDF to download it and start distributing to your team. And that's it for this video. I hope you now have a better comprehension of all our platform. And if you didn't see it yet, you can watch the other video of the series on our YouTube channel. See you soon on our Emotional platform.